Welcome to Orderline's Canadian Electrical Code Quick Tips. My name is Marvin Rosenberg. I'm an RSE, Red Seal endorsed 309A electrician and a master electrician as well. I will be hosting today's topic on the use of tables pertaining to conditions of installation for conductors. There are 4 tables in the CEC, Table 11A, Table 11B, Table 19, and Table D1, Appendix D Table 1, that contain all the information regarding the conditions of use for all wiring we use as electricians. Table 11A is used for specific conditions of use in the field of cords and cables for wiring on the job. Table 11B is used for the specific conditions of use in the field of cords and cables used in product manufacture. Tables 11A and 11B detail cords, cables, and wires that are not located in Table 19 and therefore not typically attached along their length to the building directly or indirectly, such as in a raceway. Table D1 is used for additional practical details of wires and cables other than flexible cords.